What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I have something new in today to show you guys. This is the Vifly Finder 2 from Vifly, a reiteration of the last one that they had, the Finder. And so it came with this instructions manual here. Check it out. Shows you how to set it up, how to hook it up to your quad and whatnot, and shows you what the beeps mean and everything. It connects to your quad the same exact way. And so if you already have the Vive Finder 1 hooked up to your quad, you can easily replace it with this if that's what you wanted to do. Came with that zip tie there, and it comes with the same connector here. Check it out for connecting it. You can just solder this in here up to your flight controller in its respective spot that it goes in, and then you just plug it in here in this socket on the Vive Finder. Let me turn this light on so you guys can see it a little better. So check it out. That's the little socket there I was telling you guys about, that you plug that in. And so this is exactly the same size as the first one, but there is a difference. This one has an LED now. And so I know you're wondering, how could a LED help? When you lose your quad at night, or if it's in a dark area, then this Finder 2 here has a sensor on it that detects if it's light or dark. And if it's dark, this LED here will flash really bright and allow you to be able to track it down from the light flashing. And so let's check it out. This is the old version here. And check it out. It's already installed on my quad, but virtually the same exact size. Same socket works and all. So I'm just going to unplug this one and plug it into this new one here. And so now we're going to give some power to the quad and then pull it. And so that's how it sounds, just like the older one. So now we unplugged it. Let's see how long it takes before it gets louder. It tells you here on the sheet here. The first 30 seconds is low volume. Then after 30 seconds, the max volume is heard for every 4 seconds. And then after 2 hours, so that's the max volume there. And so after 2 hours, then the max volume is heard every 10 seconds. Okay, now let me show you guys if you cover it up. See that light there? And so the light starts to flash if it senses that it's in the dark. And so this will allow you to be able to easily track down your quad if it falls in a dark area, maybe some tall grass or whatnot, and it's getting a little dark outside. And so you can stop it from buzzing the same way by holding this button on here, or if it's still connected to the quad, you can just plug it in. And there it is. Alright, so real quick, we about to see how bright this thing gets. So we're going to unplug it. And I'm going to just sit it down over here. And we're going to walk away over here. And let's see how bright it's going to get. You have to wait 30 seconds for this thing to start the actual fine beacon. So there it is. And so let's see if we can see that far off. Pretty sure we can. Yep. So pretty bright LED. no problem whatsoever finding this thing. The Vifly Finder 2 Aircraft Finder. Thanks for watching.